Hey there, how's it going? So today we get a call on a coin-operated Speed Queen dryer with a flashing light on the service panel here. It's indicating that there's an issue with the dryer. So if you push the button, nothing's going to happen. You put the money in, you push the button, nothing's going to happen because this error indicator light is telling us that there's something wrong with the dryer. So I'm going to show you how we go ahead and fix this dryer and get rid of that light flashing. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, check everything, the door, everything seems to be good, so I'm gonna fix it right now.